When watching your favorite video, there is always one moment that you want to grab and save it as a single image. Video screenshots can be helpful for freezing a moment while editing a video, making a meme, designing a YouTube thumbnail, and other things. So, this video is about how to capture a still image from a video. You can directly capture an image from a video if you are watching it on Windows Media Player. Simply pause the video at the frame you want to capture. Maximize the video player. Then, press Windows plus print screen keys on your keyboard to capture the image. If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 8, then the screenshot will be automatically saved to the Pictures folder. If you are using Windows 7 or XP, the screenshot will be copied to the clipboard. You can paste it into Paint application and save it as an image file. VLC Player has a built-in screenshot tool, allowing you to snapshot images from videos. While the video is running on the VLC Media Player, simply pause at the frame you want to capture. Click Video on the top menu, and select Take Screenshot. When the screenshot is taken, the image saving path is shown on the screen. Generally, VLC saves the screenshots to the Pictures folder. There are some websites that help you easily save an image from a video. For this guide, we'll use capwing.com. So, navigate to this link. Upload your video. Select JPG. Use the slider to select the frame that you want to save. Click Create to process the screenshot. Then, download the image. If you want more control over the screenshot, you can use Video Screenshot application. Click the Open Video button to select a video file. When you are in the right position in the video, click the Take Screenshot button. Here, you can set the screenshot's resolution, format, and other things. You can also select the output folder, where the screenshots will be saved. You can use a video editor like Wondershare Filmora to extract frames from a video with no quality loss. So, import the video file. Click on the video thumbnail to play it on the preview window. Click this camera icon to take a screenshot. Now, to find the saved image, right-click the screenshot in the media library, and then, select Find Target. Video to Photo Frame Grabber is a simple app that lets you pull still images from a video. All you have to do is choose the video. Go to the frame you want to take a screenshot of. Finally, tap on the camera icon. The image will be saved in your gallery. From the settings, you can also change the image file format and image quality.